Okay, let's talk classifying numbers. And these sheets you can kind of do on your own. I'm just going to go through and hit some highlights on here. So, this first part you can just read. Here's how mathematicians classify numbers. And I just want to point out that if you see a slash here, then this part here, this is the IB notation. So the natural numbers are the positive integers. Actually, Z is the IB notation for integers, and Z plus will be the positive integers. Okay, and then we've got N, which is the set of positive integers including 0, integers, which is all Z, the rationals, Q plus, the set of positive rational numbers, irrational numbers, the Q with the bar over it, real numbers, and R plus, the set of positive real numbers. And now you have an exercise where you have to add to the diagram to complete the different sets of numbers. Okay, and all the answers to these worksheets are available to you online, so as you work your way through these, you might want to compare your answers. And then number 2, again, just answering the questions yourself, working your way through the worksheet, figuring out what's going on here, and we'll stop and we'll talk about anything that needs to be talked about. I think you can work your way through 3, 4, on into here. Number 5, using a calculator to express decimal numbers. And decimals can, of course, be terminating decimals or non-terminating. That is, they end or they don't end. They can be repeating, terminating. Think of 1/3, 0.33333, and so on. It's repeating, non-terminating. These are answers you're going to be using as you're filling in number 4. Does the decimal repeat? Does it terminate? Number 5 is it terminate? Does it repeat? The second number 5. So, over here with the second number 5, but, that's just a little glitch on the sheet there. And in number 6, 7, in number 7, you're categorizing these. So, for example, here I'll help you out. I'll do one for you. -2, is that natural? No. Whole? No. Is it an integer? Yes, it is. Is it rational? Yes, it is. Is it irrational? No, it's not. And you can't actually have rational and irrational checked off at the same time, right? It's one or the other. And the best description of this is that it's an integer, which is Z. Okay, sorry for the little interruption there, just somebody arriving home. So again, work your way through number 8, figuring stuff out here, what types of integers, and then on down to number 9, placing the numbers in question 7 in the appropriate spot. So where do they belong? And again, we're doing that by the best description for them, right? Their best description is where they're going to fit. And this will really conclude the natural numbers. Oh, there's a little enrichment, which you can read through, and it's the proof that root 2 is not a rational number. It is irrational. So let's stop there. We'll move on to radicals.